So, hello, my lovely CMA aspirants. So, the big day has just come. All the very, very, very best, my dear warriors. You are going to definitely rock your paper and come out with flying colors. Please listen to this last moment examination tips and please, please, please do not panic at all. आप बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे. I'm श्योर सबसे पहला टिप है एकदम काम रहो क्योंकि मेंटली इस एग्जाम में अगर रिलैक्स नहीं रहोगे ना तो इवन द पेपर दैट यू नो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू परफॉर्म गुड सो द सबसे प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन योर साइड इज टू बी very very relaxed and don't panic at all. Second important tip is time management in exam. So as you all know 3 hours paper will be there and 15 minutes reading time will be there. So in 15 minutes reading time please select which question you are going to attempt first and in the remaining 3 hours you have to do the time management very sharply. Especially talking about practical paper, sometimes कुछ बच्चे ऐसा है ना फंस जाते हैं क्वेश्चन में and they end up leaving the rest of the paper that they know. So if you get stuck in one question, leave it and go to the next question. And always remember, it is not important that you have to attempt the question serial wise. Start always with that question that you know the best. Starting के 2-3 question एकदम धमाकेदार लिख दो. This will create a very very good impression on examiner's mind and this will increase your marks weightage tendency. ठीक है, for the rest of the questions as well. Don't forget to take your calculator. Even if you see in law paper sometimes numericals do come in your exam, so do not forget your calculator for your practical including theory paper. Water bottle along with Glucon-D. You have to stay very hydrated. It's very hot. Stationery item, pen, pencil, rubber सब ले जाना मत भूलना, ठीक है. And highlight only with the pencil. You cannot use double colored pen in your exam, as you all know. Do not forget to carry the important document exams related including your admit card, which is very important. Your ID card, ID proof admit card. Please keep everything arranged in a one single file and ensure you carry all the stuffs along with you safely during the exams time. Start with every new and every new question in a fresh page. ठीक है, सपोज एक पेज में आपका क्वेश्चन 1 खत्म हो गया, आप नेक्स्ट पेज से क्वेश्चन 2 स्टार्ट करो. और ऐसा हो सकता है आउट ऑफ द 8 पेपर, दिस इज अ प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम, सो इट इज क्वाइट नॉर्मल दैट one paper may be a very very standard paper, which I may say it may be more than moderate level or you may say it may be tough, but always remember professional exam का nature ही ऐसा होता है. So at that time please control your nerve. The one who control their nerves and give their best shot is the ultimate rank holder and the winner. So at that time always remember this paper is not only tough for me but for entire India level student. So I do not have to panic. Whatever I know I will write and give my best shot and I will surely clear the paper. And don't compromise on your sleep guys, because if you don't take your sleep properly you will get blurred in your exam. तो sleep अच्छे से लो, कम से कम 3 से 4 घंटे का minimum sleep आपको लेना है ताकि आप एग्जाम में एकदम fresh mind से जाकर पेपर लिख सको. Your 8 days challenges starts right now, especially those students who are giving both the group. All the paper will be back to back, back to back. So please take adequate sleep and do not compromise on water intake. All these things are very essential to keep you healthy. Your mind and your body is healthy. Your paper will go fantabulous. And those who are giving single group, for them also the same recommendation is there. Follow all these strategy. Last moment में unimportant topics को या those topic जो आपने पहले से नहीं किया उसके पीछे उसको रिवाइज करने में अपना time waste मत करो. And also don't depend on cheating because you will end up wasting your time and nothing else. Always remember, in the hall you are the person who knows the best. So sending you all my positive vibes and my vibration, and I am sure my dear student are going to rock their exam. ठीक है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरा खुद का एग्जाम है. All the very best guys. कमेंट करके जल्दी से लिख दो I will pass. जल्दी से लिख दो I will pass. All the very best guys. Rock your exam. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care. Lots of love guys. Bye.